Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Next.js. Today we are going to learn about the next 14 new features. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So the most important features, that is Turbo Pack. Turbo Pack is a new robust powered build engine that is significantly faster than the previous build engine. So most important. Support for the React Native. Next.js 14 now supports the React Native, allowing you to build hybrid web and the mobile application with the same code base. New image optimization features. Next.js 14 includes a number of new image optimization features such as automatic image resizing and support for the WebP images. Improve SEO support. Next.js 14 includes a number of improvements of the SEO, such as ability to generate sitemaps, dynamic canonical URLs. Okay, so React 19 support is there in the Next.js. Support of React 19 features such as concurrent rendering and the use transition hook. Built-in image optimizer, a new built-in image optimizer that can significantly reduce the size of your application's image assets. Next.js CLI, a Next.js CLI that makes it easier to manage your Next.js projects. Performance improvements. A number of performance improvements, including a new incremental static generation ISR algorithm and the faster dev server. And there is a partial pre-rendering preview. We'd like to share about the partial pre-rendering and compiler optimizations for dynamic content with a fast initial static response that we are working around on Next.js. Okay, so these are the features that the Next.js has provided, so we have to use it in the later videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.